This is cool. This is 37 horsepower. Little diesel. Reproduction Indian. What's neat, he actually makes those. Is that a lot of fun or what? Now he's done a walkabout on this one before. I like his twin wrenches. Where are they going? I'm going to take advantage. That is a V4, okay. We're going to do a walkabout on this one, folks. We'll check it out. It's a Wisconsin V4. That's for sure. Nice little traffic jam we've got here. Then moving on over, a little Nova. And of course the 55s. That's sounding pretty good. That's the Nova revving up here. '55, I like the Studebaker. These have gotten so popular, it's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Good luck at finding one. Of course, that's the Hawk. Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice little rig.
Fine morning it is.
Indeed. Have a calendar of events. That's
Okay.
what I'm shooting for.
Thank you.
We're going to get the Studebaker again. Outstanding design. Studebaker really didn't expect their two-door in 57 to go as crazy, 55, excuse me, to go as crazy, 53, I'm corrected again, to go as crazy as it did. But the two-door far outnumbered the demand for the four-door, caught Studebaker by surprise. Plus they were running a weaker frame, which really was a problem. They strengthened it up later on. It's quite interesting. Little Chevy rat. Now, of course, you know me with earlier cars. We got to check out the two Model A's coming in. I like the show because it's bringing in a lot of unusual bits and pieces, which is nice. Not the usual stuff coming through. Listen to her. That's Henry's lady there. Hold on 1 second. And of course, a Javelin. .401 manual transmission with the AMX option on it. Very nice. Sounding fine. Yeah, these were designed primarily for NASCAR. '33. Beautiful flathead. Nice. Nicely done. Just enough to be interesting. Too cool.